right there. How I got my apron on today, looking fabulous. Fabulous. 3 simple ingredients for you. For you. You make it the night before in a small muffin pan dish. What are we making? Well, I got some blueberry cheesecake muffin mix. Sounds interesting. Some cream cheese and some sausage. Now, I'm gonna make this tonight, and that way I can fill my muffin pan up, and in the morning, when I'm not here, my wife can pull them out of the fridge and heat them up, and the kids have an easy, simple breakfast that if, say those mornings when you're on the rush, and you're like, crap, we gotta go, rush out the door, pull some of these bad boys out. Simple, easy, delicious. You can use whatever type of muffin mix you want. It doesn't have to be the blueberry cream cheese or cheesecake. I just kind of figured I'd go with that. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. If you use Celsius, I don't know what that is. So there's that. So we're going to take our sausage into the bowl. I did indeed check the mail. There was nothing in there except for a lonesome spider we fought. He put up a valiant fight. I will give him that. He almost won. I almost decided to retreat from the spider. I hate spiders. Not a spider fan. Not a moth fan either. Moths are like, don't make, or y'all judge me, but moths are like, all right, that's in there. We're good. We're going to take our muffin mix. We're about to stab it. No need, because it's a pull rip. Woo! Pour it right in on top. Plain and simple. This is plain and simple, okay? The simplest of simples. And I'm making this early because that way tomorrow, whenever she wakes up with the kids, it's simple for her. Something she can just heat up. The kids are going to enjoy it. And it's just absolutely entirely simple. Your cream cheese. You just open it. Just open it. Perfect. 30 seconds in. We want it a little bit runny. Not too hot. And then we're just going to take our hands and we're just going to start mixing it all in. Oh no, I forgot to spray my pan. You're going to get sausage hands with this. Just to forewarn y'all. I'm going to try to mix everything in together. I don't really want clumps and chunks and stuff of that nature in here. We just kind of want to make it look good. We're basically making sausage balls. That's what we're doing. We're just making sausage balls. But breakfast sausage balls. You throw a little bit of maple sap, and you're good as gold. Your kids are going to be like, wow. I hope. They might be negative. We're being honest. They might be very negative. I don't know your kids. I know mine. Sometimes they can be positive. Like, wow, Dad, you did a great job. Or, what is this? I don't want that. And that's the thing, you know, pancakes. I want pancakes. I want sausage egg sandwich. And you spend half the morning making it, and they're just like, I don't want it no more. You waited too long. Nowadays, all your kids want is chicken nuggets. I want Happy Meal. We ain't getting no Happy Meal. Come on. I want Happy Meal. No. Spray pan before you mix all this in. It'll save you a lot. Coated. Beautifully. Beautifully, dutifully. Luckily, I'm not getting any on my shirt. Thanks to my nice apron that I love. All right. We have our pan sprayed. First, okay, we got everything mixed. Step one is done. Okay. Step two, we're gonna take our mixture and we're just gonna put it in our little muffin pan here. Okay, plain and simple. We're not trying to overfill these spots because these will rise. Okay, I know it sounds crazy, but they will. They're gonna be good. So you can use a spoon. My hands are clean. They're gonna get dirty anyways. It just do be what it do be. And we're just gonna take a little mixture and we're gonna fill the hole. Fill that hole. Mm-hmm. Push it in there. Get it nice and mixed up. And these are gonna be good. I made these before a few weeks ago, and the kids loved them. I wasn't sure how they were gonna turn out because I'm like, it's gonna be like basically sausage. But I was wrong, and I will admit that. I try to get the cream cheese in the sausage mixed up the best I can. Because you don't really want clumps of cream cheese. I mean, every now and then you might get them. Um, the blueberries that are in there will help with that. And give it a little sweet flavor. Um, and it's not a bad flavor if you just get like a big old chunk of cream cheese, but I like getting a general flow of everything together at once. And then this is going to make several breakfasts. You can take 4 out for each kid, and they can have a field day doing what they want to do. My kids will probably just start at the dog, and the dog might eat it. My son, he'll probably eat his. My daughter's a different beast. And you don't have to use a small muffin pan. I like the small muffin pan just because for kid wise or kid purposes, um, it makes it a little bit easier. And my kids can't decide if they want to go stay outside or inside. But yeah, we're just gonna fill up these little cake pans, our little muffin mixtures. And I don't know, I was surprised when I first tried this recipe. I was like, it's probably not gonna be that good. And this is the third time I'm making it because it is very fast, very simple. Something that you can make the day before. It takes 10 minutes to make it because you're just mixing stuff together and then putting in these little cake dishes. And bada bing, bada boom. So I'm going to try to get my pan filled. There. scoop that up the best I can. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands. We'll throw it in the oven. Into our oven for about 14 minutes at 350 till they're golden brown. I sit on the front porch because we're in the South, so why not? Enjoy it up, bud. All right, it has been 15 minutes. Let's check on it. Woo! What? The smell coming out my oven. Use a oven mitt to remove the hot thing from the oven. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is what you're gonna get. Beautiful. They smell amazing. They're gonna taste amazing. We're gonna put a rag down so we don't burn my countertops. I'm gonna put 2 rags down. I don't want to run that risk. So these are hot. These are gonna be good. I'm gonna take my cooling rack out. That's what this is. This is called a cooling rack. That right there. You can't tell with my black countertops, but that's what it is. We're just gonna simply pop those out. Look at that. That is straight money, honey. Nice and good. It's extremely hot. These are the blueberry cheesecake muffin mix with the sausage. 24 of these wonderful little muffins that now you have breakfast for a few days. We're going to use our very expensive plateware. Paper plate. We're going to take this wonderful, delicious looking ball of joy, set it up there. Look how small it is. What are we going to do next? We're going to get some maple sap. Okay? Just a dash. Just not too much. Oh yeah. Right there. All right. Then we're going to take it. We'll take that gooey. Ooh, yeah. And we're going to try it. Let's try it. Ready? Oh. Oh, yeah. Woo! That's good. But don't take my word for it, okay? I have a research team dedicated to calling me out if I'm lying. Axel! You want to be in my video? Huh? Yeah. Okay. You want to hop up on the counter? Mm-hmm. Right here. Say hi. Hi. So Axel is going to be our independent taste tester, okay? He will tell you if this is not good or not, okay? Okay. Now, if it's not good, I need you to say yuck. But if it's good, I want you to say mmm. All right? Yeah. You want to blow on it? Yeah. All right, try it. You gotta actually chew it. What do you think?
It's good.
It was good?
Hi guys, I'm Jerry. I'm Joseph's wife. Awesome.
All right. So Mama's gonna try it.
You want to try it first? I'll have one. You want me to have one?
You just tried it. Come here, baby. Come here. Big bite. Let's see. Look, look. She's chewing. Is it good? Yeah? Okay.
I want to chew it.
As you tell, he wants more. She actually ate it. Normally she'll spit it out. Make this for your family. $5 makes you breakfast for the next few days. Why not? If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Make a comment below if you make this. Let me know if I need to try it with some different muffin mix or something you might have tried differently for a breakfast idea. Other than that, we're simply out of here.